Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an apartment with an LLC. First, understand the advantages of using an LLC for your rental. This structure can offer liability protection and a professional image. Next, ensure your LLC is officially registered and in good standing with the state. This foundational step is crucial for legitimacy. Finally, begin gathering all essential legal and financial documents for your LLC, preparing for a smooth application process. This preparation saves time and effort. When applying, landlords will need specific documentation from your LLC. Start by preparing your LLC's operating agreement and articles of organization. These define its structure. Next, compile recent bank statements and at least 2 years of tax returns for the LLC to demonstrate financial stability. Finally, obtain a certificate of good standing from your state's Secretary of State. This document confirms your LLC is legally compliant and active, providing assurance to potential landlords. As you fill out the application, clearly state that the LLC is the primary applicant, not an individual. Landlords often request personal guarantees from LLC members, especially for newer entities, so be ready to provide one. This offers additional security. Also, be prepared to articulate your LLC's purpose and demonstrate its financial stability. A clear explanation helps build trust and confidence with the property owner or management. Transparency is key. Once approved, meticulously review the lease agreement. Crucially, ensure the lease explicitly names your LLC as the tenant, not an individual. Confirm that all terms and conditions within the agreement align perfectly with your LLC's operational objectives and financial capacity. Finally, ensure only authorized members of your LLC sign the lease on behalf of the entity. This step legally binds the LLC to the agreement, protecting individual members from personal liability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.